Welcome to ShaftStrap Tutorial 1. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about what is in the actual box that you've just purchased. The first thing we're going to discuss is the main body of the device. This device has 6 pre-installed inserts that are 2.5 millimeters in width. That is for senior and intermediate hockey sticks only. We also have 6 5mm inserts that are used exclusively for junior hockey sticks. The back of the actual device, you'll notice, has several markings, croppings, and notches. This is so that the actual backing plate, which we'll talk about next, can reside inside this and create an actual secure loop and backing so that the plate cannot slide out. You'll also notice that there's a notch in the actual device itself. This is where the strap assembly will reside. The backing plate. The backing plate goes underneath and snaps into the bottom of the device body. Side A is used for a standalone application, meaning the device will not be permanently attached to an equipment bag. Basically, you're going to use the lock when you want to use it, and then you're going to leave it in your bag when you're not using it. Side B is different. Side B has dadoed edges around each hole, and these dados are the exact size of the rivet head. And the reason this is done this way is because if we're going to permanently attach this to a bag, then we have to find a way for the eat up the thickness of the bag we're attaching it to. We'll talk more about this in tutorial 3. For a standalone application where you would use side A, you will see that in tutorial 2. The cavity blanks are used in 2 ways. If we have a single piece of equipment, we would replace the inserts in one of the cavities with a cavity blank. That way, a single piece of equipment such as a hockey stick, a baseball bat, or lacrosse stick can reside in one side and have back pressure through the cavity blank on the other. If we had multiple baseball bats or multiple lacrosse sticks, we would use both cavity blanks and install them in place of any inserts. The equipment would then be installed on the outside of the device. We can talk more about this in tutorial 8. You'll also find in your package several operating instructions. The first one is going to be on how to reset the combination lock on your ShaftStrap lock assembly. The second is a card outlining where to find instructions and tutorials such as the one you're watching now. On the back of this card, you'll find a contest for Instagram and Twitter. Simply take a picture of you using your ShaftStrap in action, upload it, and have a chance to win $100 every quarter. This is a bag sticker. It is only used when you have a permanent installation where you're going to attach the ShaftStrap permanently to a bag. Simply attach this to your bag, make a hole designated at each crosshair where you're going to put a rivet through to attach the assembly. For a bag installation, see tutorial 3. ShaftStrap instructions. This gives you instructions on every step that we're going to talk about in these tutorials in a paper format and is available for download as well online. Our rivets. We give you 8 rivets, although you're only going to need 6. Each rivet has a male and a female counterpart and is used to assemble the base plate, the strap assembly, and the device together in a sandwich fashion. Simply use your fingers to snap them together. Each rivet has a pull force of 40 pounds or 240 pounds when all 6 are installed. Lastly is your lock assembly and strap. You'll see this being used in all our tutorials, specifically in tutorial number 2 for a standalone lock assembly, tutorial 3 for a bag assembly, tutorial 4 on how to actually install the equipment into the device and how the locking mechanism works. Thank you for using ShaftStrap. Good luck, and remember, protect your weapons.